Hey everybody, this is Brian from SurfGuru with your Wipeout Wednesday and Thursday Gulf Coast Surf Report. Hey, we got some knee-high wind swell coming in, brisk north winds. Looks like it's rideable in the right spots, but kind of keep your expectations in check. Now Thursday, we might have a few leftovers, but that's going to drop off really quick. East winds are going to be cleaning things up, and that's going to wipe out any wind swell. Now looking ahead, mostly small on Friday with a chance of a little wind swell for mostly the western part of the Panhandle. For Saturday, that little wind swell is going to continue for the Panhandle, and the Gulfsters are going to kind of remain in the flat to small zone. Now for Sunday, winds are going to turn to the west as the day goes on, and then eventually going to the north. Now this is going to drop off the Panhandle wind swell, but it's going to start setting up some chunky wind swell for late in the day for the Gulfsters. Now that wind swell should stick around through Monday, and it's going to be kind of brisk 15 mile per hour north winds, add a little chop to it, but might see a couple rideable sets here and there in the right spots. So I'll be back on Friday, let you know what I see going on with that, and until then, be sure to check those cams. That's the best way to know what's going on your favorite spot. And hey everybody, thanks so much for checking out SurfGuru.